right, I'm at Lakeview Elementary this morning for Rock Your School. Rock Your School is about school transformation, and the whole purpose of that is about engagement and getting kids excited about coming to school. We're going to push into a few classrooms and see how they're transforming the classroom to make learning fun today.
What can I say? Thank you to LEIC and our wonderful Lakeview PTA for sending us to get your teach-on training this summer. And because of that, we've learned different ways to create lesson plans, unique lesson plans to ignite their learning. Well, the whole concept is to get the kids more engaged in the lessons that we're planning, and for them to have fun and make connections, because that's what we want. And we want them to become lifelong learners just like us.
So you've been doing some boot camp work in your classroom just to talk about what you're doing.
Yes. Well, we started out with brainstorming with our boot camp writing. We've been doing boot camp math, learning math facts, boot camp writing, like I said, boot camp learning about math, science, STEM projects. It's been wonderful. And the kids are loving it, and they want to come.
Yes!
Morning. Right now we're doing a STEM activity with some STEM boxes that our school purchased last year, and they are just making some Lego glasses. And the activity was that they need to create something that describes something about themselves, and we're going to share kind of like our SEL lesson that we do in the morning. And so that's what they're doing right now.
Well, you have 100% engagement in the classroom. Obviously, if you put Legos in kids' hands and say create something, that's a good thing.
We'll be doing Legos a lot with math as well, so they're going to be really excited.
Awesome, very cool.
So number 2, the boxes of cinnamon rolls are lined up in 3 rows of 9 boxes. How many boxes were there total? Okay, so what are we going to do here? Number 2. So we just started our unit on multiplication a few days ago, and so we decided to go with a bakery theme because so much of the baked goods, the donuts, the cupcakes are all arranged in arrays, and so we've been talking all about what arrays are and how they can count their columns and their rows for multiplication. Times. Let's count our rows. 1, 2, 3. Also equal groups and doing area models, things like that. So just a hands-on experience so that they can, it's real to them. It's a nationwide incentive that Get Your Teach On puts on. And so Hope and Wake King came to our school last summer, and we were just really inspired by it. And so we just wanted to jump on this day. A lot of people last school year did room transformations, and we saw how powerful they were. And so we wanted to take it to the whole school so that all the kids could enjoy, and just a day of engagement is what it really focuses on, is getting kids engaged in learning. And so that it just makes it a fun experience, but not just fun, it's also about the learning as well.
And we're the E3 squad looking for E3 pros. We know that there's lots of you here at this campus, but we want to present you with this cling that you can put outside your classroom.
Oh my goodness,
Thank you for being an E3 pro for kids.
Absolutely,
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, there you have it, the E3 squad looking for some E3 pros, and we found them today at Lakeview Elementary. Each teacher that allowed us in their classroom will be able to display this E3 Pro because of the engaging, the equipping, and empowering lessons that they're doing in their classrooms.